Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. This video today we'll be talking about architectural doors. On this video I'll be teaching you how to install doors, how to edit the doors to your required size, and how to properly manage the door using REVIT architecture. On this is the continuation of our classes. Previous class we talked about how to edit our wall constraints, cavity walls, and then do so many things with our wall. So today we're having a simple floor plan of a room and a toilet precisely. So I'm going to show you how to install or how to fix your doors and then also edit it. So stay with me to the end of this video that you will not miss out on any steps that we are about to do. Remember to hit the subscribe button, like and share for more updates, for more videos. Okay, so this is our interface. Regularly in the previous class we have already talked about how to set our levels, how to draw our floor plans. So in continuation is how to fix our door. Okay, first of all, after getting it from your floor plan, this is the floor plan that I draw. I'm able to change the floor plan. I'm able to add another floor plan. For instance, now I'm able to add like 4 meter, for instance. I'm able to add it. Yes, anyhow I want to maneuver my plan. For instance, now, so I'm able to create it the way I want it. And then let's take for instance here is the veranda. Okay, so now you want to insert your door. You go to your status bar, architecture. Under architecture you click on door. When you click on door, there is a default door settings, so you can be able to decide to use that one, but this one is just a default door. So but I want to show you how to pick up your door, sorry, and then insert it. So when you click on the door, you go to load family, and then I make a dedication video on how to install, how to insert your components. So here I'm having my component here. When I click on load, it opens me up here, and then here is the door folder. So you click on door now, and then these are the different types of door. The pivot door, when you click on it, you are seeing it at the window screen here. So we have different types of wall. You can go back and select. For instance, now we're talking about door. This door, we're talking about external door. So I can click on this external door. When you click on it, we have the different types of doors. We're having this one with glaze, this one double panel, and then you choose the one you want to use. For instance, I want to use a double door now, something like this. Now I'll click on it now, and then I'll click on OK. So it will load, and then it will bring me back to my floor plan. So when you bring me back to my floor plan, I'll come and insert it. So you see, so when I click on it, for instance, now, yes, so it's showing me that I cannot disturb because of the space in here. So let me go back again and then click on the door, and then let's see. I have already picked it from my library now. So anytime if I click on it now here, yes, because that size we're talking about is too small, that's why it's not loading. So I can be able to click it here, for instance. Now again it will do because of the size here. So when you click on it now here, I'm having what? I'm having my door fixed here. And then when I click on it now, I'm seeing an arrow here. This arrow is showing you the direction at which you want the door to be positioned. So when you click on it now, it's telling you that the lift, that's the open lift, the swing, it has entered inward. When you click outward, it's showing you outward. So now again, I'm able to go back again and then to architecture, to door, and then click on my door here, and then go back to load again, go back to default setting. So now if I want to put an interior door, I'm able to go back here, go back and go back on that door. Yes, so we're having external and then what? Internal doors. So I'm able to click on my doors now and then select the type of internal door I want to. For instance, this is the one I want to use. So I can select it and click open, and then I'll come to my floor plan. I'll come to my floor plan, and then please come, and then I can install it. I can fix it now. So when I click on it now, so check something. I'm seeing two arrows. This arrow is showing me left and right, and then this one is showing me what? Back and front. So if I click on this one now, you see it has changed. But if I want it to swing to be at the right position, I can able to click here, and then it will change the what? The direction. So this is the meaning of these arrows, showing you the direction at which you want the floor plan, the door to be positioned. So I'll click on it now, and then I can be able to shift it to the particular space that I want. So for instance, now this is how to what? Fix our what? Our walls or our door. So clicking here, I can go back to my 3D now, and then I'll open there, and then I'll see it there. So I can be able to rotate, and then I can be able to see what? How to see my door that I've created or I've fixed. So remember, I showed you where you can be able to see it in reality view. When you click on here, you see the door in reality view. I hope you are understanding. We're making progress. So likewise, the interior what? The interior doors are being fixed. But you know, from outside you cannot be able to view inside. That's why we're not be able to see. But I want to rotate it from the top, and then we'll check it and see. I'm seeing a door from inside. Yes, let me turn it from inside. And you see the door that we have created from inside. So this is how basically you can be able to what? To create or fix what? Your door. So the next thing I'll be showing you how to what? How to edit this particular door to your taste of size, or to your desired size, or to your requirement. For instance, I want this door to be a door at 1.2 by 1 by 2.1. That's the height. So I'll click on the particular door, and then I'll go to edit. When I go to edit, and then I'll scroll here is the panel. So if I want this thing not to affect other doors, I'll come here, duplicate, and then click on it, and then rename what? The door. I can say door 1002. Then I'll click on it. So I'll scroll down here, and then I'm having my width and my what? My height. You can see my height is what? 2110. So you can make it to be what 2001, and then the width, then you can make it to be what 1002. You see, 1002, that's 1.2 meters, and then 2.1. Then you click on it. So you see, this door particularly now is what is at 1.2, that's by width, and then the height is normal 2.1. So if you are having an extra height door, so you can go there and then edit it what to suit it down to from 2000 from 2100, that's 2.1, or maybe 2.4. Then you click on it, you go to 3D, you see it here, So now if you make this one, for instance, now go to edit, make it, that's the height, to be the height. For instance, now the height, I want to make it to be 4000, for instance. You'll be able to see it, and then you see how it will turn. You see, so this is how to create, this is how to edit your wall to the taste or to the required size you want it. You can make this particular door to be more larger in space. Maybe you can come to the edit, let's go back and then make it to be 2.1, please. And then the width now, you can be able to make it at maybe call 3 meters, for instance. Now 3 meters, then you click on OK, apply OK. So you see it has what enlarge what the size of what the size of the door. So this is how to create or fix door and then edit door. And then again, mind you, when drawing, remember that this is not the position of what the door is always at the floor level, and then this one is still at the ground level. So when you click on the door now, so you check on the level. So when you click it here and then you leave it at the floor level. When it's not in the floor level, but this one is on the floor level, you leave it. But if the door is on the floor level, you take it back towards to floor level. So this is simply how to create or to fix your door on your floor plan. So we have different types of walls, different types of doors, so, and you can be able to fix them where you want and then edit it the way you want. You see this one, that's the edit that we did. You can be able to edit it back to normal size from 3000 down to precisely maybe 1000 or 1 meter. See, click on finish, and that's it. So this is how to fix our door on our floor plan. So on our next video, we'll be talking on how to also fix our windows, edit the windows just the way we did it for the door, and then I'll show you some tricks on how to maneuver or walk around our windows, and then different forms of windows. We have the glazing windows, we have the curtain windows, curtain walls, that's curtain wall, we have the normal window. So I'll be showing all these things on our next video. So if you enjoyed this video and you want more of it, you click on subscribe button to get more updates or more videos anytime we post. By next week we'll be posting another video. Remember to hit the subscribe button, also like and share this video for more updates. I remain Boy Tech. Thank you very much. Goodbye.